So, just to set the scene, state Supreme Court decisions can profoundly affect your personal life, your personal rights, your voting district, your tax money that is spent on public schools, charter schools, or private schools, juvenile protections, and checks and balances. But to understand how, let's first look at the structure of the North Carolina Supreme Court.
The North Carolina Supreme Court is different from the trial courts you see on your media platforms. The highest court is the North Carolina Supreme Court. It is only an appeals court, and that means that the 7 judges, called justices, can only hear cases on appeal and that apply to North Carolina law.
Okay, but the final decisions are made by a majority vote, meaning that at least 4 of the justices must agree on the majority decision.
Yep. Another very interesting difference is the North Carolina Supreme Court justices, they do not determine guilty or not guilty, like the trial courts. The Supreme Court justices simply determine if North Carolina law was correctly applied. See the chart at the end of the video.
But that's still very different from the courts that we see on all forms of media. So my question is, how do the justices get their jobs? Am I involved at all?